is Sam, manager at SamFx Investments. Basically, I'm going to be talking about risk management in Forex. So many people have asked me this: how do you manage losses during trade? But one thing I would like you to know is that there's no guarantee of no loss in life, even in life. There's this iota of failures. You never can have 100% winning streak through your life. So same applies to Forex. If anybody tells you that they never had losses in Forex, man, that's not it. It's never possible. So one thing I'll say is that for you to be able to manage your losses, these are the things you should do. You know, one thing that has helped us in SamFX investment is that after every loss, we actually go back to our drawing boards, and it has actually helped us to get off from our comfort zone. And one thing you do after every loss, and one thing we do after every loss in Forex is that we it actually gets us learning more strategies, strategies that actually gives us a higher percentage of winning better than the one we actually had, you know learning more actually. And one thing I'll actually advise, after I lost in Forex, is that not going back to the market immediately, having the mindset of actually getting everything you lost, immediately. But like, one thing we do is we sit back and actually study situations around the loss. You know what decision we made before the loss, and what we could have done better, what decision we could have made better, and what condition we actually defaulted, that actually resulted in the loss. So those are the things you should do. And another thing I'm going to advise: after a loss in Forex, do not over leverage. Do not say because you had a loss, you actually want to get everything back, and you place a percentage of leverage and thinking that you're going to get, the trade looks so good, and you just dive into it. No, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that. You should actually be able to just calm down and, okay, what did I do that actually resulted in this loss? So basically, let nobody tell you they never had any loss in Forex. You just have to just calm down and think about what actually made you lose in the first place. Then learn more, like I said, and think about, get to know about different strategies that could have been better, that could have earned you better than the one you used when you lost. So